I think we will begin now. Hi everyone, I'm Yan. I'm the art director in SU. I will lead today's kickoff meeting. First, I would like to welcome you all and thank you everyone for coming. I know you are all very busy and it's difficult to take time away from your daily tasks for meeting. Today, our goal is to kick off the project and assign the work duty. As you can all see here on agenda, we will mainly talking about the upcoming International Art Camp 2019. First, we will discuss the vision and goal for this program. After that, we will introduce our partner companies and the team members. Next, I'm going to introduce the work duties for each company. Then, Grace from EB company, Wendy from Land company will present the company's work duties. And finally, we will have time for discussion and questions. Okay, let's get started. As the title shows, our program named International Art Camp. We will invite students from Shanghai to Boston to experience American art and culture during the summer vacation 2019. The program length is 2 weeks in summer vacation from June 25th to August 25th. A group will be 12 students aged 9 to 6 years old, led by 2 teachers. Our big mission is about cultural exchange between America and China. The goal is to help students to experience American culture and art, to prepare for future study abroad possibility, and to improve competitiveness for applying American colleges. The program involves three companies. They are EB, LAN, and SU. EB is a language training and study abroad company located in Shanghai, China. It has 6 locations in China and has enrolled 200 students aged 4 to 16 years old. LAN Company is a Boston-based language school for the high schoolers to study standard English tests for tests such as TOEFL and IELTS to enroll in English-speaking universities. SU is located in Boston too. Our company is intended to provide the students with a professional visual art education. The company strives to contribute to cultural diversity in American society. In this case, SU plays the role as a bridge to connect EB and LAN. Also, SU is the beginners to start this program. I will introduce our main stakeholders and team members to each other. Grace is in Shanghai now, and she is the EB's director, and she has expert knowledge about this program. The informal one-on-one consulting through email and video conferences works really good for Grace. And Wendy and Susan from Land Company. Susan is the CEO of this company. She has 10 years experience to private students for high quality summer camp. And Wendy, she is a program associate. She works closely with Susan. We can keep discussion with Wendy through email, phone, or visit on site, depends on upper needs. For Susan, she is the expert, and the formal meeting and the consolations or meeting scheduled and email will work very good for Susan. I work as a art program director in SU. Any informal one-on-one consultation through phone, email, or visit on site works good for me. I will be in charge of the art program activities on this summer camp, and I will initially report to company CEO Bill. And I will keep Bill posted through email. The EB is in charge of marketing and product promotion since they have really good student foundation in Shanghai. Also, Grace will be in charge of visa and the flight ticket stuff. And Grace will work closely with the students and the students' parents to keep contact and keep posting the students' daily schedule to the parents. The land company is in charge of the English program and boarding service and school bus services. They have very strong school bus and boarding service program. They run the company for more than 10 years. It really gives the students very safety place to live and very strong and responsibility to take care of the students during on the campus and out of the campus during the tours. The SU company is in charge of other art activities, including museum educational tours, famous art college educational tours, and art studio classes, and portfolio consultings. These three companies work together to provide a high-quality vacation camp program for students to experience American culture and art. They will prepare for future study abroad possibility and competitiveness. Okay, I wish my presentation makes sense to you all, and I will yield time to Wendy.